Hello, good morning, good day, or good afternoon. I'm called our Richard, a Cameroonian by nationality and from one of the English-speaking regions of the north of Cameroon, that is the northwest region. I am married, and I've been married for close to 15 years today. Concerning my education, I started primary education in 1979 and graduated in 1987 with the first school living certificate. I went further to the middle school from 1987 to 1992, graduating with the GCE, with the General Certificate of Education, ordinary level. From there I moved to high school from 1992 to 1994, graduating with the General Certificate of Education, advanced level. I gained admission to the University of Yaoundé, precisely in the Faculty of Education in 1997, and schooled there to, 1994, and schooled there to 1997, graduating with a diploma which authorizes me to teach mathematics in any of the secondary schools around. I have been working for close to 21 years today. The reason why I really feel honored to present this video in order to maybe help those who are still coming to the field of teaching, as well as help students to enjoy this subject, the subject mathematics. Concerning my hobby, I love writing, I love reading novels, I love dancing, I love going on excursions, I love to assist friends as well as go along with them in times of hardship. I am a writer as well as an internet marketer. During my busy or free moments, I do internet marketing. That's why I think it is good for me to share some of these ideas with you so that we can together learn and teach those who are in need. My intention here is to help those who are in need realize their aims. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you will get more from this. More videos will come up very soon concerning the subject mathematics. Stay tuned. Ciao.